Ato bangke.
Hi everyone, welcome to the part 2 of this camping vlog. I hope you had enjoyed our part 1. In this video, we're gonna be exploring more Kampo Hiyang-hiyang of what else we can be able to find from here. Actually guys, there's still a lot of things that I haven't told you about this mountain resort. So stay tuned and join our fun tonight.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is another day. Welcome to Hiyang-hiyang.
Hey vlogs, Siam Vlogs! Please like and subscribe!
Mas gusto mo ang vlog na to o ang pag-ibig ko? Nothing, I just took a video from the information
Over
house.
there guys is Campuestohan.
And there's a food cart here, so let's take a look what's inside.
I think no one is here.
There's something that I'd like to confess, guys. I said to you on set that there's still a lot of things that I haven't told you about here. Actually, I won't be able to do it because I didn't get a chance to roam around more. So it's up to you guys to come and explore this place. You must know that there are better rooms that you can be able to stay here. Aside from Luisa and Conchita house, can try the big house. That's better. There is also the Nirvana house, or you may visit their Facebook page for more details about their rooms and services. So you should come guys, and don't worry if ever you're not gonna like it, then you have the option to go to Campuestohan Resort and check the available rooms there. So to save your time guys, you have the option as well to skip watching this video because the next video is all about how we spent our whole night here in Kampo Hiyang-hiyang. These are behind the scenes, and I have recorded some discussions that we have about our team leader who just slept all day and just leave us alone to do our own thing. But we totally understand. She's probably very tired and probably we're disappointed because this day our team got few sales and I was not able to make a sale. So join our fun guys, you're always welcome. Join our chit chat and how we spent here, and I hope you will enjoy this video. And I think this is very important for you to know that the phone signal that is working in this area is Globe or Touch Mobile Network. I'm not sure with D2 because I haven't tried D2 SIM card yet, but you can definitely have it handy before coming, okay? So thank you so much guys, and please don't forget to subscribe and like this video so I will be inspired more in creating more content in the future. Take care guys, I love you, be well, God bless, stay tuned.
Evening guys, and the people are still sleeping. Yeah, because it's evening. Kampo sa aming musika.
By the way, this is milkfish guys that we are about to cook. Our national fish here in the Philippines.
Yummy tummy! Hello, my tummy.
Mukbang na this.
Namin sila daw magluto kasi photo.
Mas lami ka magluto.
Oo, isa na
Ay, asa na all. It's with oyster. Give me the recipe, Char.
Secret.
So, the recipe is secret. Ano? Secret.
In the part 1 of this video guys, you can be able to see what did Laika put inside the belly of the milkfish to make it taste really good.
Why is it so delicious?
Isa ka slice mo.
With
rice.
With rice.
Hindi,
Wala pa na rice.
Wait, with rice na.
Barato lang how.
Wala pa na rice to.
Di ka maligi.
Pila na nga muna nila. With rice.
80, no rice pa ha.
Ayaw.
Special na.
Pila ka kilo na yun?
Pila kilo bakal ni like?
Duwa.
Pila tanan.
Duwa lang ni ka kilo?
Ga-audit na sila. Fish oil.
Daw si Miss ang bawo.
Nabugtaw na?
Abot sila balay. Isa lang isulati ang baang iyang amiga. Ati so hindi sa pagikaw po. Diyan kayo isa lang yung amiga.
Nag-iisa lang.
Hindi ako pwede yung mate ya.
Kasalubi
Okay
yun.
lang kayo nagamot sa 1-3. Ibili. Ate ko, ate ko.
Bantay, higid na ida kay bangin madula. Nakarang isa ka slice. Char.
Ay kagwapo. Daan sweet corn.
Wala na ka mo da piatos.
Ano na asa?
Ganta ka mo. Ay, wala ka mo ganun to.
Mailis na ti.
Ay, wala na kami sa
Tapos na kami ilis.
Tel, kamatay ka ta.
Tara, bugtalog Japon.
Bukawang mo sa kanati.
12 hours, wala mong duty. Wala pa kami kakatulugan.
So, katulog na kamo.
Gabi ako na muna na pag-grab.
Di mo man yun, ano kaya na eh?
Bakal na kamo da.
Just so you can understand this vlog better, guys, this is not just a camping vlog but a team building of my new team from Retention Department with TL Tara.
Ikaw, dapat ka check eh. Wala ka flowers si Yugi na pag-out. Ano na dapat na pagkabakay?
Good luck pa to akong last call.
Ang bayan na pala ho. Taga bakot may ano.
Ngani, no? Pero I get ko RGU kanina. Promise. Hindi talaga. Miss kan ano nga pilit ko natakaan na lang.
Ano yan? Yun ay yan tayo.
May callback. May callback lugod ko sa ni.
Rubber na sa balano.
Natungayan naton kung sa diin ginasubang baboy kang isda. Live ka sa buong sa diin ginatawag nga hiyang-hiyang. Ang hihina, hiyang-hiyang ang puso ko. Piling ko ilmo ka na. Si Piltar tulog pa yan.
This is just for fun, P. Peace you.
Alam mo, Yugi, 8 hours na kasi.
8 hours.
Ay, wala ka wala ka bot yung 11?
Oo. Mga 12 na to.
Dahil na lapyo ko si Miss na isang 15 na XM.
Sweet dreams gid saya.
Bayad 20. Matulog na lang sa tigil-tigayo.
Nagpawala lang siya. Gahulat ng sikng batch niya.
Nala ko pa sa amba kung pabaga na taguran maluto na ta para ano. Oo. Ay makawin nila. Kaya ilagaling plano, yung galing.
Diyan lapit lagi dyan luto mo like
Bawi ba?
Ay, mababasa ang imong atsura sa Sir Billing.
Wow, ang sarap. Ooh. Siguradong luto. Umami.
Bako sa isaya ka, ulam na sa ako niya.
Ay, balada.
Nari, din ang idea.
Hi, Jan! Ara ka gali. Wait, mate ko na.
The cooking time of this milkfish, guys, I think it's almost an hour. Some wrap it with foil. And this is the fish, which is one of our most favorite here in the Philippines.
Wow.
Hindi po.
Hindi, wow.
Wala mo nakaso mga batok yan.
Okay lang na yan.
The best way to avoid burning the fish, guys, is to wrap it with aluminum foil with a moderate charcoal fire.
Feeling ko mas dali ni siya maluto. Kay wala scale.
Skin?
Ano na itawag mo yaho?
Ang tawag mo yan?
Fish scales.
Si ano na sang nabatok tawag?
Fish
Wala mo na
kuan.
Wala mo na. Uploadin mo to sa imo. Sa kunduli ka na lang yung lakat na lang ko.
Dumagib apa motor yung daan.
Nagdulong sa atin ba lang?
Ang sarap yan, galing ka ubo.
Ay ba? Ako na give up ditong motor yan.
Wala ko na abotong sa akin. Paggawa ko, ala.
Dumanan.
Dumanan lang, ano yung magdagan.
Oh, kami do, tayo lang kami vlog pero dun sa kadala sa mo.
Ubo ba lang? Hindi pa rin
Mama,
mahaw.
mama ni ana malikod do.
Hindi pa rin mahaw po, Blau. Yung puminsan ko labas magkubat yung gaw. Hindi ka bayan.
Matulog di tala lang tanan. Pasaka.
Pasakan ito.
This is just for fun, guys, that I posted this. And we'd like to say thank you so much to the very good jeepney driver who brought us here and back home safe.
Pagabot ni Gerald, darang pagyapon.
Tapos na kami kaon.
Katuwagin ko yung malikmata, kaya ako napasero. Katuwagin ko malikmata, si driver, gaway sa ulo, gamo kundi lang tani. As in, kaya gamo ko na, oh, gaw malikmata, kung gaway sa ulo. Sa ilo din tayo, sa ilo din.
Tayo mag-aaway, aalis tayo sa tunay na mundo. Dadalhin kita sa aming bahay, di tayo mag-aaway, aalis tayo sa tunay na mundo. Sa tunay na mundo.
Dadalhin kita sa aming bahay, di tayo mag-aaway, aalis tayo sa tunay na
Holy baby, straight up to you. Even if I would know that I'm not true. Ibigin sa pagkakas, ibig di matatago.
Ikaw ba nalulungkot? Maraming hinapit sa Hoy, kaibigan ko, pakinggan mo ang mga bulong sa'yo. Vlogger,
That you just don't realize how much I love you.
Cheers.
It's gonna be the wind, but it's all coming back to me. It's all coming back to me now. There were moments of gold and there were flashes of light. There were things I never do again, and then they always seem right. There were lies of endless pleasure. There was more than any loss of love.
Nasa aking mata at hindi mo ba kailangan magtanong ng paulit-ulit. Ikaw lang ang hinihingi. Ako ay wala gagawin. Ikaw lang kung saan titingin ang liit sa langit tingin na natin hingalain. Uulong ka sa akin, sa aking naman at hindi mo nakailangan magtanong ng paulit-ulit. Ikaw lang hiningin.
Gamote nga gabi mo.
You betrayed me, and I know that you'll never feel sorry for the way I hurt it. You talked to her when we were together.
Bako December ako. Oh, pulo. Ibang tayo.
I wish that you took the story for me and I love you. She's standing back with me. Don't
The next day.
Where? Wow! Pagkagabi na, nung managabot ka na.
Gabi ay, kung ang dance ko, so bigyan ulan niya.
Lagyan to, dalo. Oo, kapag ang speaker. Oo, diba? Thank you. Okay lang.
Is kanin di amon na.
Kung bibigyan mahilang ako,
Itaas ang kamay.
mga kahapon
Dahil may katumbal ka mo ni Dahil. Ano yung vlogger nyo di ho?
ako ay sapat.
As you can see guys, Laika used the disposable aluminum platter that we have to heat up our leftover fish and to fry the eggplants. It worked guys. It might not be very safe, but this is one of the alternative way that you can be able to do while camping if you don't have a pan.
Sinaksakan sa babaw ng chair.
I think I'm in love with you.
Ay, sorry.
So that's all guys. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next time.
Ginaganda, pero ginaganda pa. Ginaganda.